A customer profile statement summarizes a customer's financial situation. In this video, you'll learn how to easily generate a customer profile statement in just a few steps. Let's get started. To begin, select any customer and click the More button. Next, choose Generate Statement to navigate to the Generate Statement pop-up screen. There are two types of statements available: balance forwards and open items. First, we will generate a balance forward statement. This type requires selecting a date range and specifying the currency, USD. Click the Generate button to proceed. Voila! The balance forward statement has been generated. Now, let's open it. This is the balance forward statement file. Next, we will generate an open item statement. This type has three fields: statement date, included items, and currency. Included items offers two choices: all outstanding or past due only. Click the Generate button to proceed. Voila! The open item statement has been generated. Now, let's open it. This is the open item statement file. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.